Hi Aries, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for October 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to dive into these oracle texts that I have here. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to thank you for being a part of this journey. Truly, your support has made this journey even more beautiful. Let's just dive into your reading, Aries. Towards the final days of September, stepping into October 2021, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Truly, Aries, you may have made some gains in this final days. Possibly, banking work or financial transactions had kept you busy. However, there were also those moments when you lacked the drive or the motivation to move forward. Interestingly, I'm also picking up that many of you may have felt let down. I think you should look at the bigger picture even though you have made those gains. Obstacles to overcome this month of October, the challenges that October is going to present for Aries is the Eight of Pentacles. Financial issues will bother you. I think communication is also going to increase. Maybe you should grab those opportunities. Emotionally, it's not going to be your best period. Maybe you should also be sensitive to the needs of your family members, especially your mom. Influences for this month, we have the Nine of Cups. Ideally, Aries, you should grab the opportunities that October is going to present. You'll definitely come away making gains. I think it's going to be a very productive month. So that is why you are being called upon to capitalize. Though there will be good starts, you may feel as though technically you are being challenged. Maybe it's also the time to enhance your skill set when it comes to technology. Nevertheless, I think you are going to be quite focused. You want to complete a lot of tasks. You'll also be getting past rewards. Past dues are going to come in case somebody owes you money, then you will get your dues as well. Largely, I think paperwork or technical work is going to keep you busy this month. The first 10 days of October, we have the Queen of Swords. Truly, you are going to be somebody who is going to be quite detached or aloof. You may want to stay away from people. You want to carry on with the task. Like I said, you are going to be somebody who wants to get down to business. Maybe you're also somebody who doesn't like to explain yourself. Oftentimes, you may find yourself hurrying with the tasks at hand. You may be unsure whether you should proceed or not, but then you will be able to complete a lot of tasks and you'll be happier for the same. Largely, Aries, you're somebody who's coming across as quite intelligent. You're somebody who is free and fair and impartial when handling situations. I think you can put across your demands and views quite succinctly. You're also somebody who wants to do the groundwork as you have to be ready for clients. Maybe your schedules could be disrupted. You have to change the timings to suit their needs. Incidentally, the focus in this time will also be on spiritual matters. Maybe you want to clear the energy which is around you. Maybe you should do some aura cleansing as well. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th October, we have the Four of Swords. Primarily, you have to think along a different way if you want to proceed with work. You see this person here, he seems to be in a meditative mood. He seems to be quite withdrawn and closed off. Possibly you want to think things over in a quiet way or while you are far removed from people around you. Aries, you should also follow your instinct because you're going to come away making gains. Nevertheless, I think this is going to be a very hectic period. However, you can take heart from the fact that you will manage to complete a lot of tasks. You should also be careful, Aries, because there is somebody who could threaten to undermine your position. Maybe you could threaten to sabotage your interests as well. That is why I think it's necessary to keep a backup of your plans. I think the best way to combat envy is to keep your cards close to your chest. Aries, in case you're in the leadership position, I think you will lash out at inefficient staff. Maybe you're also somebody who is going to expose those workers who are hell-bent on creating mischief. Certainly, you want everyone to be aware of this person's ploys. Final days of October, that is towards 21st to 31st October, we have the Ten of Cups. Overall contentment is quite likely. Positive feedback is also coming in for your work, your creativity. I think you should also promote yourself. Maybe there are going to be sudden and unexpected developments in this period. Even while dealing with clients, Aries, you should ask for more or you should be more demanding. Maybe you're being called upon to rush and finalize those deals. Personally, I think you may feel that your voice is being ignored within your family. Maybe family members are not convinced about your point of view. I think you should resolve issues with your mother as well. This month is also going to be marked by spiritual growth. Maybe you're also going to think about the past life issue. Like I said, Aries, cleansing rituals will definitely benefit you this month. With respect to your love life, Aries, I have this card barrier. Possibly there are going to be impediments in the path with respect to matters of the heart. Maybe you're also coming across as someone who's quite detached. Like I said, you are somebody who's like an ice cold maiden year, the Queen of Swords energy that is you're embodying this month. So that is why I think you're going to retreat from certain situations. Maybe there are admirers and they are making it explicit that they are interested in you, but then you're going to be lost in your own world. I think you're quite a heartbreaker this month. Interestingly, Aries, many of you could also be thinking about somebody who has stolen your heart. Maybe you think that it's a dead end. You're also deliberating about sending a message across or writing that letter, but then your confidant could ask you not to be too explicit. That is why I think communication could be a barrier here. I think the person you're dealing with could also be quite covert when it comes to his emotions and feelings. Maybe he is hiding behind this door. He doesn't want to express his feelings to you, or he doesn't want to acknowledge that he has a corner for you. In case you're already romancing, I think there could be opposition from your family members as well. Maybe family members think that your relationship with this person is quite forbidden, that because we do have this card, forbidden snake here, maybe it is quite tempting to get into a relationship with this person, but then family members don't see eye to eye. It's also quite likely that yours may be a secret romance and it could come out in the open. That is why you could be quite hassled this month. Nevertheless, I think your partner and you're going to enjoy those sweet nothings. You're going to discuss things with each other. It's also likely that this person could be away on a business trip. That is why you may feel the pain, or the physical distance could also be difficult for you to handle, or there could be brief conversations with this person. In case you're already married, Aries, I think you could be fretting over your spouse's financial decisions this month. Maybe he loses a big opportunity on account of quoting a higher price. That is why you could have disagreements with him. Nevertheless, gains are quite likely for your spouse. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think there could be suspicion involved here. Maybe your spouse or your partner could also question you on infidelity. The final card in this reading is Alternative Medicine from Archangel Raphael Healing Cards. I think Archangel Raphael is clearly asking you to take a second opinion with respect to matters of health, whether it concerns you or another person around you. Maybe you should also think along the lines of alternative treatment outside of conventional medicine. You will also benefit if you research the different methods and options for healing. Maybe the current treatment which you are going through isn't effective enough. Nevertheless, this month, Aries, you can expect to get past rewards. You're going to be sought after. Besides, contentment can be expected at work. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.